Hi there, I hope you're doing amazing. Today we're going to have our very first steps of learning the piano. Piano is such a beautiful instrument, and playing it can actually make your brain stronger. So, congratulations on choosing to learn it. I'll be here to help you start this journey, show you how to play, and guide you until you can perform wonderful pieces all by yourself. So, let's get started. First, we'll begin with the correct sitting position at the piano. When you sit on the piano bench, make sure you sit only on the front half, not all the way back. Your knees should be right under the edge of the piano, and when you place your hands on the keys, your arms should form about 90-degree angle between the upper arm and the forearm. Your hands should be nicely rounded when you place them on the piano. They should never be flat. Imagine you're holding a small ball or a bubble in your hand, how your fingers curve. That's exactly the shape your hands should have when resting on the keys. In piano, we give numbers to our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Remember, thumbs are always number 1. The piano is made up of white keys and black keys. The black keys come in two patterns, groups of 2 and groups of 3. Use these groups like little landmarks to help you find the notes. Each of these white keys has a letter name, which we call a note. There are 7 notes in piano: A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. These notes repeat in order. Now let's find the notes on the piano. First, look for the groups of 2 black keys. The white key on the left is always C. And can you guess what comes after C? That's right, D. Then E, F, G, A, B, and back to C again because there is another 2 black keys. This pattern continues all along the piano. Now find all the C's in your piano and play them. When I say play a C with finger 1 of your right hand, this is what you should do. Finger 1 means the thumb. You can play any C of your piano, for example this one or even this one. But sometimes I'll say higher C or lower C. I mean higher and lower. So this C is higher than this one. Now I want to test you. Play a D with your finger 2 of your right hand that is high in the piano. Well, this is the answer. Finger 2 of your right hand and find a D that is high in the piano. Now I want you to play a C with finger 1 and an E with finger 3 of your right hand using the higher part of the piano. This is the answer. Finger 1 and finger 3 of your right hand and using the higher part of your piano. Now I have an exercise for your fingers. Place your left hand pinky, finger 5, on the C in the middle of the piano. This is called middle C. Now place C to G using fingers 5 to 1 and then come back down. Start this exercise very slowly at first and repeat it as many times as you need it until you can play comfortably each note with the correct finger. Now place your right hand thumb, finger 1, on this C and do exactly the same exercise as the left hand. Repeat it as many times as needed until it feels easy and comfortable. Make sure that when you play a note with one finger, you lift the previous finger before pressing the next key. I mean, this is wrong. And this is the correct form. When you can do it with both hands separately, try playing with both hands at the same time. Alright, now let's learn how to play a simple song. Our song is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Place both thumbs on middle C. Now play this. G, D, 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 E, E, D. Now the finger numbers. 4, 4, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2. Practice each part many times until you feel easy and comfortable. Next part is C, C, B, B, A, G. And our finger numbers 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. B, B, C, C, B, B, A. And the finger numbers 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. G, G, D, D, E, E, D. 4, 4, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2. C, C, B, B, A, G. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. I've made a picture that shows the name of the notes and which fingers you should use to play them. You can use this for practicing. And don't worry, watch the video as many times as you like until everything makes sense and you've learned all the details. That's it for the first part of this lesson. Your homework for this week is to practice the finger exercise and the song that we learned together. Try to practice at least 15 minutes a day and aim to be able to play both exercises comfortably by next week. I'll see you soon in part 2 of this lesson. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to follow the channel to catch the next part. And if you found this video helpful, I'd be happy if you gave it a like. See you next week.